Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. There is an English for grade 4 and we are learning unit number 13 and its title is A Courageous Woman. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 5, we will learn under the reading and understanding. We will understand the text through facts, how we can understand. Before in English for grade 4, my dear students, we have already learned in unit number 7. This was our SLO, identify facts in the text. We know how we can identify. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's students' learning outcomes are: apply while reading strategies to interact with text, to identify facts in the text as indicated through these words: date, place, etc. Okay, so we are going to learn about facts, how we can search. So my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, so whoever disbelievers in Taghut, the rebel, the Satan, and believers in Allah has grasped the most trustworthy handhold with no break in it, and Allah is all hearing and all knowing. Yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, already we know that who are the disbelievers, they have grasped just on the way of Satan. They are on the way of Satan, and who has grasped the right path, so definitely they are the called believers, and Allah Almighty always guide them toward the right path. And indeed, it's our firm belief that, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything He knows, and everything He hears, even what we think in our mind. Okay, so we also pray from Allah Almighty that He should guide us towards the right path. Ameen. So first of all, we will refresh our previous knowledge, what we have learned before. Who did accompany Sabina Beg on the 7 summit adventure? Yes, recall and respond to your teacher. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have recalled that who accompanied Sabina Beg towards 7 summit. Good job, my dear students. So now we are going to start our rest of the lesson on page number 101, open book. And we will start from next third paragraph. Samina Beg climbed all of the 7 summits at the age of 23. Samina's brother Mirza Ali Beg accompanied her on the 7 summit adventure. Mirza Ali said, "We had the greatest honor to host green flag on the 7 summits." So yes, my dear students, this beautiful paragraph is telling us that who accompanied Samina Beg? Yes, her brother Mirza Ali Beg accompanied her. Accompanied means he was with her. He also climbed the 7 summits with her sister. And what was the age of Samina? Yes, she was just only 23 years old. Okay, and they also discussing, they are explaining their emotions, their feelings when there is the national flag on the 7 summits. They were very excited and they were very proud. Okay, there is a word for you. Summits means the highest point of a hill or a mountain. Summit means highest peak of any hill or a mountain. The next paragraph, the other 6 summits are Mount McKinley, Mount Elbrus, Christian's Pyramid, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Vinson, Aconcagua and Mount Everest. These are the names of peaks, my dear students. They are all other 6 peaks, because already we have learned a while before that they climbed 7 summits, and these are the name of other 6 summits. In February 2018, Samina was named Pakistan's National Good Work Ambassador by UNDP. That is the honor for Samina, that due to her courage and due to her achievement. So what was, he was worked as a National Good Work Ambassador in Pakistan, my dear students. So there is a question for you. Do you know any other prominent Pakistani mountaineer? Write about her achievements. Okay, you will discuss with your teacher and you will respond this question. Good. Excellent job, my dear students. Samina was the first to climb the peak Cheskin Sir above 6,000 meters in Pakistan in 2010, which was later renamed Samina Peak after her. She reached the summit of Kohe Barabar, Mount of Equality, in 2011. So my dear students, look her achievements, how she is a brave lady. See that she is the first woman to climb the peak Cheskin Sir, and what was its height? 6,000 meter in Pakistan. And in which year? In 2010 she climbed that. And in 2011 she also reached the summit of Kohe Barabar, means Mount of Equality. Okay, she also reached over there. There is another question for you, my dear students. What resources does a mountaineer need for mountaineering? Search in the book and on the internet. Share your findings with your class. So my dear teachers, help to your students to find information about it. Good, excellent job. Good job, my dear students. Next is Special Communication Organization, a telecom operator, Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan appointed her as its brand ambassador. A documentary film, Beyond the Heights, was made on her expedition to the Mount Everest. So look how Pakistan and our national and our government paid her tribute due to her courage and brave achievements. So what she did, she was also selected, appointed for Azad Jammu Kashmir and in Gilgit-Baltistan as a brand ambassador. And also a documentary film is also there, Beyond the Heights. It's also in the regard of Samina's achievements, my dear students. So post-reading questions are there. What are the names of 7 summits? Where are the 7 summits located? Find and share with your class. So yes, what are the 7 summits? Now we have read just now, my dear students. Search and give answer. Excellent job, good job. So now we have completed our chapter. So it's time to move towards activity. Yes, my dear teachers, give students 5 minutes to read out the text carefully and underline facts. Say to students to read aloud the facts one by one. Teacher will explain the reason why it is a fact. So my dear students and my dear teachers, so you will give chance to your students and they will find out facts. So already we know what are facts, my dear students. Facts are universal truth, and it cannot be changed and it can be proven. Okay, my dear students, facts cannot be changed. It is a universal truth. We cannot change the facts. It is related about dates, it's related about places also and adventures also. Okay, so you can find facts in this way. So pause the video, my dear teachers, and perform this activity in your class. Excellent job. I hope you have done it, and because already we have discussed what are facts. Good job, my dear students. So now it's time to move to individual activity. There is a question number 1 and our remaining question was there. Question number 2 and question number 3 is there. So pause the video, my dear teachers, and you will get these questions, question number 1 and 2 in your notebooks and question number 3 on your books. So I'm waiting for you. Perform this activity on your book and then come back. Excellent job. Good. So our today's homework, write question number 4 given on book page number 103 in your notebooks. There is a question number 4, my dear students. You will read the following paragraph, locate specific information to answer the following question. So you will read this paragraph and you will answer these 5 questions in your notebook. This is your today's homework. So this is worksheet, my dear teachers, and this worksheet link is given below. You should click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form so that they may clarify that about facts. What are facts and what are opinions? They may be able to find out that. So what we have learned today? Today we learned how we can locate facts in the text through different indications. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO, apply while reading strategies to interact with text, to identify facts in the text as indicated through these words, date, place, etc. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.